Today we're hiking one of Zion National Park's biggest bang-for-your-buck trails, the Canyon Overlook Trail. It's only about a mile round trip, but the views and the end rivals hikes that are much longer and much more strenuous. The trail starts just east of the famous Mount Carmel Tunnel, making it an easy stop for anyone exploring the east side of the park. One thing that surprises people about this hike is how much variety is packed into a short distance. You'll walk across slick rock, climb stone steps carved into the hillside, and pass through small alcoves that navigate narrow sections with incredible views. This trail was built during the construction of the Zion Mount Carmel Highway in the 1920s and 30s. The road itself was an engineering marvel, connecting Zion's main canyon with the park's east side. These giant sandstone cliffs around us are primarily Navajo sandstone. About 190 million years ago, this area was covered by one of the largest sand dune fields ever known. We're literally walking on ancient desert dunes that turned into stone. If heights aren't your favorite thing, don't worry too much. The trail has protective railings in the most exposed sections. Just take your time and enjoy the scenery. Look down into Pine Creek Canyon below. That narrow canyon is a popular route for technical canyoneering adventurers involving rappels, swims, and slot canyon navigation. This trail has everything. Caves, wooden bridges. Look at the plants growing out of the, looks like ferns almost. So cool. These are one of the better hikes I've been on.
Some days I'm in my feelings. In some ways I'm still healing. Sometimes that's just life, but I still gotta try. All my pain had a purpose. Every scar made it worth it. Grew from every fall, and I can feel it all. I'm not letting go.
And here it is, the Canyon Overlook. From here you can see layers of sandstone cliffs, winding roads, vast canyon views stretching across Zion's eastern landscape. It's hard to believe all of this is accessible from such a short hike. And if you're planning to hike Canyon Overlook, arrive early in the morning or later in the afternoon, as parking is limited and fills up quickly, especially during summer, spring, and fall. Canyon Overlook proves you don't need a long, difficult hike to experience some of Zion's best scenery. If you're looking for maximum views with minimum miles, this trail deserves a spot on your itinerary. From tunnels and slick rock to an unforgettable view, Canyon Overlook delivered.
I'm hanging on the cliff.
Oh, you're a cliffhanger now. Billy Goat Brian's now a cliffhanger. As always, we want to thank you for joining Cottom's Adventures, and we'll see you on the next trail.